Assalamu alaikum, this is Zia and welcome back to a brand new vlog. So let's begin. The best thing in this store that I love the most is the technology aisle or whatever, but the best thing I love about this store is you know what I'm trying to say, right? Is all these computers. They got a good deals on it. If you guys want to buy it, let me know. See it there. So that's the best aisle. I always come here, check out new stuff with them because they do have a good deal sometimes. Like right now, they have something off. So I mean, sometimes it's good, but it's okay. I mean, it's not like, you know. So I just look for it. If I like something, I just pick it up and, you know, buy it. Don't think about it. But this is my best aisle in the whole store. So I'm talking about, they have a new studio beat buds. See what I'm talking about? They have a new studio bud. So let's see how much is it. So it's 150 minus 30, 120. Same song, same thing, but there's no deals on it. Anyways, but you know what I'm trying to say is, well, if you come here to Costco, you will find the best deal ever. You know, like, yeah, this thing just $100. I mean, you can find a good deal if you really need this one. You can get it from here, and they do have a good quality. There are, as far as I know, I heard they have so Costco have a different third party that they check the quality in order to pass the quality of anything they buy. So let's say they buy something from me, they ship that stuff to a different company, third party, not their own people, and see if the quality is good enough for them to sell it. If it is good, they sell it. If they don't like it, they just disqualify it. So yeah, another best thing. Can I get one more?
Go ahead.
Thank you. So the best thing in Costco, that you can get a lot of samples. Hello. Can I try? What is it?
It's a sweet cinnamon pecan.
Can I try?
Yes, yeah, go ahead. It has only
Thank you.
1 gram of sugar and 1 gram of net carbs. It's only for $13.99.
$13.99. Thank you so much. So, see, best thing. Oh yeah, we will come back.
Okay.
For sure, yeah. So one thing, you get more samples. So look, I'm gonna keep the samples here. Yo. Euro. Free sugar. Open freezer. Can you see? Yeah, it's up. It's pretty cold. So we're gonna get that. Drink. Oh, Coronega. So it's I don't know what they call, but yeah, Coronende, and you can get Paramay and more, is whatever you guys want to get. I feel like I'm in Alaska right now. It's pretty cold. So yeah, we're gonna get the eggs. So we got this 65 dozens. 5 times 12 is, I don't know, whatever it is, that's much undays we get. Did you guys ever notice of this? Look, this for recycling and trash, right? But guess what? Same thing here. Same thing, but they just want to make you think that you're recycling, which is a good idea.
The other one is also floating here.
Samandari ladamanan.
Do you have any idea where I should be looking for the package of shrimp that's
Oh, you can go one of those aisle.
one of those?
If you go straight down, it's on your right.
All the way down where the refrigerators are?
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You'll find, yeah, there's the frozen one, yeah.
Somebody in Idaho told me I should get them.
Oh, all right. I don't know what she said, but okay. Almond, right? Yeah. salmon, uh, fresh wild, tuna. I don't know. My favorite, trout. I'm just saying trout. You, the best trout. We just love this trout for $17. Not bad. How many pounds? The price is $4 per pound. Yeah, this one is good. Come here, Alu. Should get one sauce because we love sauce. No, yeah. We have a next stop, so we're gonna go here next. First thing first, safety number first. I mean, anyways, we got two of them. Double gum and the extra. This whole aisle is sugar. Whole aisle. And this popcorn, blah blah blah, sugar. It's supposed to be halal. You want tomatoes? Boiled one. There you go. Tomato and tomato juice. Peeled tomatoes if you're lazy and don't want to peel it off. Oh, Marhan, what are you doing here? From 27 to 51, and recently went to $1 up. Not bad, not bad. Trust me, we should buy this for $27, $25. Now, more than half or half price went up. Oh, and recently went $1 more this few months. Yeah, same thing with the flour. Yeah, it went up too, but yeah, anyways. So we just came from the store right there, right, to this one right here. So we have a little bit shopping here because this store is more like Pakistani store with tomatoes and everything. So let's go. Boom. Open. Yeah, more like Pakistani store to me. I don't know why, but today is so rush in the store. Usually we don't have that much rush when we come, but like, look, just the line is this big. So all the way there. It's season for the mangoes right now. So there, mango. I don't know what it is, but whatever it is, it's pretty big. No, I don't want to hit it. I don't want to waste food. So it's quite a bit good. Anyways, we got, yeah, today's busy, so it's gonna be a lot long. See the wait? Honestly, man, after shopping for like 2-3 hours, I get tired easily. I want to do a quick run and just go home. But if you come with your mom or like woman or whatever from your house, say I'm just super tired right now. I just want to go home, take a nap, because I'm here since what, 12, and now it's like 3, like 4 hours. But you know, to walk all the time. But now, if you come with your mom, especially with your mom, picky, especially my mom is picky. So yeah, I think we have one store to go, and then we're done. So far we got this, so, and then we're done. This is the third store that we went today. Other than that, we have one to go, and now we move to the Yapal side. Oh yeah, that's the corn. In Pakistan, we used to have our own fields, right? So here, you can open. If you like it, open it. If you like it, take it. If you don't like it, put it back like that one right there. So pretty good aisle, huh? All of them fresh carrots. Gazara. There you go. Gazara, we got a lot of stuff here, so it's pretty good. Look decent. Something I know, something I don't know the names, but it's a lot. Yeah, very good store. So yeah, we're back in Super Hayat, and then this is my inshallah the last stop for the day. So we're gonna do a quick shopping here, masala job here, and then we're done. Spin road, tasty road, yeah, we're back in halal restaurant, and halal meat, not restaurant. So we have to get some of this mango bread, red bread, and white bread. So after this, we're gonna be done, inshallah. So yeah, we're done here in Super Hayat Market. So we're done shopping everything today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the vlog, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So inshallah, I'll see you in next vlog. See ya. Peace out.